Howdy, Sublimation peeps. In today's video, we're going to do microfiber towels. We got these at Dollar Tree a while back. I know there's been comments showing that y'all want this video, so we're going to go ahead and try it. And we're going to start today, and Sam here is going to help me print and press these, and we're going to start right now. Alright, now that we have our towel and everything picked out, we're going to go ahead and print our design. And really, it's as easy as we found the design. I actually made this in Photoshop. If you're curious, the font is called Mama. I think it's a Creative Fabrica font. And this bottom one is called Farmhouse. And what we're doing, we're just going to do a simple print. We have it 8" by 8" at 300 DPI. We're going to go to print settings. It's 8.5 by 11 paper. We're printing at 8 by 8, so obviously that's going to work. Premium presentation matte. We're going to do high quality. We are going to mirror the image, turn high speed off, and we're going to do ICM color profiles. We're going to go ahead and print that, and then we'll get it pressed. I'll let Samantha press it, and we'll show you just how easy it is. So I'm not going to let Sam play with sharp objects, so we're going to go ahead and just cut this paper. We're going to cut it reasonably square. And there we go. This is what we're actually going to be pressing on the towel today. All right, now we're getting ready to press everything, and we'll go ahead and take these out. Yeah, say we are. There we go. Sometimes they have a little piece of plastic here. We'll try to find the plastic, make sure. Okay, we're good. We're totally good. So what we're going to do, you're going to go ahead and place that flat on there. Don't burn your knuckles.
I'm going to burn my knuckles?
Nope, place it as flat as you can. Scoot it up where the whole thing's on the press. There we go. Get it as flat as you can. Put this piece, put that across it best you can. I know it's not quite big enough to cover it, but that's the area we're going to be pressing. And go ahead and give it a light heat press. Just go ahead and pull it on down. We're pressing at about 250, and we're going to do a 10-second pre-press. Just push it on down. Alright, that's good. Now you can go ahead and let go of the press. Alright, now you see how nice and flat that is. That's what we're after. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and apply the paper and tape. So Sam, if you want to grab this and center that on there for me, just put it center. Any way is fine since it's square. So just get it equal top and bottom. Put you a piece of tape on any corner, and then go the opposite corner with another piece. Here you go. Just tape it. Here you go. Here you go. It's fine. I'll get you another one. Just put a piece of tape on it. It's gonna be a little warm, but you got heat-resistant gloves, so you don't care. Now, if you want to go on the opposite corner and do do another piece on the opposite corner.
I know how to do opposite corners, but I don't know how to do this one yet.
Oh, yeah, you do. You can do it.
Yeah, you can.
Okay. Now, we're going to put this other piece of paper right on top of all that. Put this on top.
I taped it onto the paper and not the...
That's okay. Here, try it again. Here, look. I got you. I got you. Alright, now put the other piece of paper on there, on top. Just do the best you can with it. Covers everything up. Now let's go ahead and press that. And we're pressing it for 375 for 70 seconds. Hey, let it up real quick. Real quick. Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, go for it. Go for it. Push it all the way down. Got to click. There you go. Alright, guys. So Sam's footage originally corrupted. I don't know what happened to it. I think it may have just timed out where we went on the heat press to heat up or something, and somehow it didn't get recorded. But what we'll do is we'll go ahead and do it exactly how she did it. We're going to just put it face down, paper face down. We'll go ahead and tape it on opposite corners. And we're going to go ahead and put your paper back on it. And again, we're doing it at 375 for 70 seconds. And we'll go ahead and press it. Alright guys, coming up on 15 seconds left. Again, Sam did a really good job. The footage just didn't take for some reason. I don't understand why. But she gloved up in hers too, so I'll do the same. Usually with fabric, I usually don't use gloves, to be totally honest. And there we go. And really, it's just a matter of just getting that paper off of there. And then just getting it pulled out. And there we go. Looks perfect. Looks absolutely perfect. So yeah, that's how you do that. Alright guys, well that's how you do that. It's a very simple project and it looks super duper good whenever it's done. As you can see here, Sam was able to center it very well. Overall, it looks fantastic. And even an 11-year-old can do it and turn out just fine. So if you found this video helpful, feel free to give it a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more sublimation content. Peace, guys.
Stop. Okay, retake. Retake.
Ready, set, go. Ow.
Okay, don't make me laugh. Retake.